Hello, today I'm going to show you how to join Google Classroom and how to navigate the Google Classroom for Summer Reading site. The first thing you're going to do is go to classroom.google.com. Then you're going to use your student email to log in. That's the email that ends with @stu.pennsauken.net. Then you're going to come over here and click the plus button and click Join Class, and it's going to prompt you to enter your class code. Each grade level has a class code, so ensure you're using the grade level that you are going into. So as you can see, I'm in the incoming 9th grade summer reading. All the summer reading Google Classrooms are formatted the same way. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see the assignment that you were given in the last week of school. Click on the summer reading open-ended questions, and you'll have access to the open-ended questions if you can't locate them anymore. Go back to Google Classroom, and you have the story that you need to read, The Elevator by William Slater. The assignment directly above that is the extra credit literacy letter. When you open this assignment, you'll see it creates an assignment for you. So by clicking on this assignment, it already has your name and the assignment, so it's easy for your teacher to locate. Type your letter directly into this document. Be sure to change the name, and you'll be all set. When you're completed, you can click Turn In, and it will turn into the Google Classroom. And the last thing is the required open-ended response. If you click on Open, you'll see the same that you saw for the literacy letter. It creates a document for you. And as you see, it has your name, has the assignment, and it has the grade you'll be entering. Type your responses directly into this document, and you'll be all set. Click Turn In, and you've completed your summer reading.